Solving an inequality is the process of finding the set of values that makes an inequality true. For the inequality n minus 2 is greater than or equal to 4, there's not just one value that makes this inequality true. Notice that for n equals 5, the inequality is not true because 3 is not greater than or equal to 4. For n equals 6, the inequality is true because 4 is greater than or equal to 4. And for n equals 7, the inequality is true because 5 is greater than or equal to 4. Notice that any point to the right of n equals 6 also makes this inequality true. So, all of the possible solutions to this inequality can be represented by the inequality n greater than or equal to 6. The solution to this inequality states that any value for n that is greater than or equal to 6 will make this inequality true. For example, points for n equals 6, n equals 7, n equals 8.5, and n equals 10 all represent numbers that make this inequality true. If all of the points for all of the values that make this inequality true are graphed, every point starting at n equals 6 and to the right will be plotted on the number line. Note, this includes points for decimal and fractional values that are greater than or equal to 6. Notice that all of these points form a shaded line that starts at n equals 6 and includes all of the points to the right of n equals 6. An arrowhead is placed at the end of this shaded line to show that all of the points to the right of the end of the number line also make this inequality true. For example, n equals 5,781 makes this inequality true. So, the arrowhead at the end of the shaded line shows that points like this are also included in the solution to this inequality. Note, this graph changes slightly for the inequality n minus 2 is greater than 4. For this inequality, n equals 6 does not make this inequality true, but every point to the right of n equals 6 does. So, the starting point for the shaded arrow at n equals 6 is left open to show that every number greater than but not including n equals 6 makes this inequality true.